hidden features of Python for beginners, that is the built-in tools which will make you to your code cleaner, shorter and more powerful than ever. So there are the some list of features which I have right now. So that is list comprehensions. List comprehensions, why we use this, and we will go with one by one once we clear all this. Next one is the lambda functions. Number 3, so f strings. Number 4, what enumeration. Number 5, so zip function. Number 6, any or all. These are the hidden features. Most beginners, they don't even know. Even for the developers also, they don't even know, because of this was not used by day-to-day operation, and only for the certain need they used to perform enumeration. Okay, now we will move on to one by one. Each one I will get into this. Number 1, list comprehension. So instead of going with the loop, we will create the list in one line. So great for filtering and transmitting the data or transforming the data. Suppose I have the numbers. Okay, I will create the list. Okay, this is my list. I want to perform squares of these numbers. For that we need to use the squares equal to. So here now I can use x star star 2, that means x square, that will for x in numbers. So numbers, what we call this, it will be taken as a variable name. So same thing we are using it here. Okay, now we will see that print of squares. Okay, print of squares, comma, use the name here whatever we have taken the variable. So now you try to print this one. See, 1 4 9 16 25. This is easy for filtering the data, and we can try to out for that. And even we will take one more example for events. Even equal to same x for x in numbers if x percent 2 equal to 0. So this, you know what that mean? If condition, you can x equal to 0. If this condition is true, then you will get the even number. Now try to print this. Print of even numbers, comma, events. What we taken? Events. Check this. So 2 4, these are only 2 and 4 even numbers, 2 and 4. Okay, now we will move on to the second list, lambda functions. Lambda function, you know what is the use of lambda function? That is a quick function without a name, useful for sorting or simple operations. Okay, number 2. Okay, lambda. Suppose I have called lambda equal to lambda a comma b. So semicolon, you can directly use this a plus b. So whatever the variables we have taken a comma b, so that will be counted as a plus operation. That is simple. Because I have a lambda addition. Okay, lambda addition, I will count it as, we can directly use, suppose here itself I can use this 3 plus 5. So what is the value of 3 plus 5? Now you can get it, lambda of 3 comma 5. So now directly you will get the value. There is no name at all. See, 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. This is the simple one. And if you want, we can give you one more also. That is for beginners, that is more than enough. And we will go with the number 1, f strings. Number 3, f strings. F string, why we use f strings? So that is only for Python 3.6 plus onwards it will be there, and embedded variables directly in strings with f, that is cleaner than the dot format. So or percentage. Okay, simple example I will give you for this also. Suppose I have a name is equal to my name. Okay, okay, suppose I have a age equal to 3 4, anything you can give, that is simple fill. This is a hypothetical version we are giving it as. Okay, now print hello comma I am. Instead of directly giving the name here, within the braces I can give you the name, so that this will be short. And now version. Okay, under that I can use age. So it will print the output I am Python version 3, or you can use this instead of my name, you can use Python version 4. So you will get the value here simply. So I am name version age. Okay, so is there any mismatch here? Because we are not used f strings. See, if you use f strings, you can see now what is it. I am Python version 4. Got it? So that is the use of f strings. Because if you are not using f string, it simply prints as it is without with name and age. Okay, with f strings you will get the formatted output. I am Python version 4. So move on to the next one. Number 4. What is that number 4? Enumeration, right? Enumeration. So here enumeration, I have numbers. Okay, numbers in a list 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, I want to print this with the index and value. For that, what we used to use for I comma v in numbers. Okay, print I comma v. You will try to see what the output is here. Cannot be unpack non-iterable int object, because we are not using this as a int. Okay, so only for we need to use this is simple for loop. So you will get the type error. For that, what you need to use enumeration for I comma v in enumerate of numbers. Now you try to print this, what will get? See, 0th index element is 1, and first index element is 2, second index element is 3, third index element is 45. So this is the use case, and I have given you the best example with the error code first, then what is the use of enumeration. Now next move on to this. So for enumeration we can use one more also, I comma v in range of 4. I am directly using range. We are not defining any variables or list or dict or couple. Okay, now I will print this print of I comma v. So you will get the error. Why? Type error. Again you have to use enumeration, enumerate of range of 4. Now you will get the values. See, this is how we want to use the enumerate function. Now we will move on to next one. What is number 5 feature? Hidden feature, zip function. Zip function. So zip function, what it will do, it will simply combine the 2 or more elements. So now we will see, I have a names called names equal to, okay, name. Okay, consider the list. Okay, anything is fine, and some. Okay, and hello. Okay, this is the names, and now we will take it as a ages for this. Okay, and 20 30 40 I will take. Okay, now I want to combine this with the help of zip function. For that we need to use for name comma age in zip of names comma age. Okay, names, okay, names comma age, ages I have considered. Okay, ages. Now try to print this. Here you can use the f strings. F name, names is age, ages, years, world. Whatever you want you can use years, world. Okay, this is the simple example. When you try to execute this, see, Chandra, someone, hello, ages, world. So it is looping for each and every one age in zip of names. Instead of that we can directly print this. So each one it is we are using the for loop, right? So instead of this we can go for print dict zip of names comma ages. Now we will try to execute this. What you will get, see, so we are converting this list to, this is the two list elements which we have, and we will with the help of zip function, I mean zip, we have considered the set dict. That means we are converting two list as a key value pairs like dict. Okay, this is how the important feature, that is the zip function. And last one is any or all, any or all. So this is also one of the important one. And any returns true if at least one item is true. Okay, all if all are true. Okay, take numbers only, numbers equal to 1 2 3 4. Okay, this is my number list, has even, I'm just taking the variable, nothing else. Okay, any num percent 2 equal to, okay, don't wait for a second, num equal to 0 for in num in numbers. Okay, now print this one for the result, print has even number. Okay, at least one even number is there, comma, has even. If at least one even number is there, check if any even number, and it prints the true if any, if finds any. So true because even number is there, 2 and 4 are even numbers. So these are the simple examples for this features, list comprehensions. Why, you can go through this, and since it is a distraction for beginners, so you can practice it well, and will get to know that.